Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share how to scan and make PDF. There are many scanners available in Play Store. Here I am choosing Tab Scanner application as it is very easy to manage documents and a simple app for you to scan and convert in PDF. You have to download this application from Play Store. After downloading, you have to give permission to allow to access photos, medias and files. So let's see how to use this tab scanner using a smartphone. As I have downloaded tab scanner earlier, so let's see. First we have to open the tab scanner. There are two options. You can take a photo or you can take the photo from your gallery. First we'll see how to capture the image and scan. For that we have to click Start Scanning. Adjust your paper properly and capture your document. After capturing, you can crop the image. If you want to rotate the image, below it's given rotate left, rotate right. You can use this option. If it is okay, above it's given tick mark. You have to click the tick mark. The image will be selected and it will be converted to crop image. If you want to change the color of the image, below menu options are given like original, spark. You can select the color from the below options. You can increase and decrease the brightness by selecting the left side button, and you can increase and decrease the contrast by clicking the right side button. If it is okay, you can select the tick mark which is displayed above. You can see the image is saving. See, the image is saved. If you want to capture more images, click camera again. Below there is an option multi. Click multi so that you can take more photos. Select multi. First photo is captured. Readjust the image, second photo is captured, and again you can turn the pages, capture the next photo. So here one more photo I am capturing. Then click the tick mark. In the next page you can resize the images one by one. So totally 4 papers I have captured. So one by one I am resizing the images. See the third paper. Then click next button, and if it is okay, you can select the tick mark. Then one by one each paper you can change the image color. You can make the brightness and even the contrast colors. You can change it one by one. Of each papers you can do it one by one. Then finally select the tick mark. The image will be saved. See, totally we have taken 5 images. See the color of the image, what we have selected, it will be saved. Now we can change the name for this PDF. So above there is a pencil symbol. You have to select the pencil symbol. Type the PDF name. Here I am giving paper 1 and click OK button. See, the name paper 1 is displayed above. Now all the image have been scanned. Now we can convert this into PDF. For this we have to select the arrow which is given above. We can convert this into PDF and even in image also. So here I am converting into PDF. We can change the quality low, medium and regular. The PDF have been saved in our smartphone, and we can also share this PDF. Select the back button. So here we can see that the paper 1 is saved in tab scanner itself. Now let's see the PDF which is saved in our smartphone. Open File Manager. Select a document. See, the tab scanner document paper 1 is saved here. So this is how we have to scan and save the PDF in our smartphone. Well, while using tab scanner, there are many options in the settings. You can try all the options which are given in the settings. See, PDF password we can set, then portrait, landscape. Here the default one is A4, then we can use legal or even executive, everything. Select the settings and try all the options. If any more doubts, you can give in comment box. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe. And if you like my video, share to your friends. Thanks for watching.